evening, all 12 people watching this. If you're wondering why I'm talking to you directly through my webcam up there, it's because I was an idiot and completely forgot to record interlacing shots of me explaining what we're doing. So I'll be doing that in person from now on. Yay me. So on the morning we went to Tokyo Tower, and my friend Kat met up with her friend Jamie, who is seen here, next to Kat, and then we proceeded to walk to a cat cafe, which we then mingled with a bunch of kitty cats.
Hey, cat, turn around. Hey, the sensor, turn around.
After the cat cafe, we walked around Akihabara some more, and then we went to dinner, where we had to cook our own dinner. They gave us this, grill type thing, and we had to put our, it was chicken, beef, and pork on it, and we would grill it ourselves and then take it off and eat it. That was delicious, and we ate in Shibuya, and after dinner, we went to the famous Shibuya Crossing. after we walked through that intersection, for no other reason than to walk through that intersection, we went back to the hotel and we just kind of went back to our rooms and watched anime. And that's the end of the video. But Nick, why is there just so much more left? It's like that much left. So that's the end of this video. I'm still working on the censored version for the first one. And I think I'm going to add a striped shirt count to the other two as well. And I think I'll be doing that in the future from now on. And for the record, does anyone know what this is supposed to say? Meh. 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 Testing. 1, 2. Does this work? Meh.